The growing demand for mechanical keyboards shows how users value precision, reliability, and durability in their tools. Similarly, welders and DIY enthusiasts are seeking powerful and dependable 230v Mig welders for metal fabrication, automotive repairs. List number 1. Miller-Matic 252 Electric MIG Welder. The Miller-Matic 252 is a professional-grade MIG welder that delivers exceptional performance for heavy-duty applications. With smooth, stable arcs and adjustable wire feed, it handles mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum with ease. Its 230-volt power supply ensures high output for thick materials, while the ergonomic design makes it user-friendly for long welding sessions. Built to last, the Miller-Matic 252 combines reliability, precision, and efficiency, making it a top choice for professionals and serious hobbyists seeking a premium MIG welding experience. List number 2. Hobart 5533 Handler 210 MVP MIG Welder. Empower your welding. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP is a versatile 230-volt MIG welder, ideal for both home and professional use. With multiple voltage settings and excellent wire feed control, it handles materials up to 3/8 inch thick. Its compact design and spool gun capability allow for aluminum welding, while the simple interface ensures easy setup and operation. Durable and reliable, the Handler 210 MVP offers consistent performance, excellent penetration, and precise control, making it perfect for automotive, metal fabrication, and DIY projects. List 3. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder 200 amp 6-in-1 gas MIG gasless flux core MIG stick. The ARCCAPTAIN 200A MIG Welder is a 6-in-1 multiprocess machine supporting gas MIG, gasless flux core MIG, and stick welding. Its 230-volt input provides strong, stable arcs for various metal types and thicknesses. Equipped with adjustable voltage and wire speed, it offers precision control for both professionals and hobbyists. Its compact and portable design, along with multiple welding modes, makes it a versatile choice for automotive, fabrication, and maintenance work. An excellent option for users seeking affordability without sacrificing capability. List number 4. ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder 110V 220V 4-in-1 welding machine. Gas MIG, gasless. The ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder is a 4-in-1 multi-purpose machine, suitable for gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. With dual voltage compatibility, 110V and 220V, it offers flexibility for home workshops and small shops. Its adjustable output allows precise welding on steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Lightweight, yet durable. The unit is easy to transport and ideal for beginners and intermediate welders who want a versatile, money-saving solution for multiple welding tasks. List 5. Yes Welder Gasless 160A Multiprocess MIG Welder. Flux Core MIG Lift TIG Stick Arc Welder. The Yes Welder 160A MIG Welder is a multi-process machine capable of gas and gasless MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding. Designed for home and light professional use, it operates on 230 volts input to provide stable arcs and reliable performance. Compact and portable, it comes with adjustable voltage and wire feed control for precision welding. Suitable for automotive repair, fabrication, and DIY metalwork, this welder offers versatility, affordability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike.